Hey, Christian, can you come back this way? Come here. No. Christian. Oh, look what I got. Look what I got. Come get it. Come and get it. Can you come and get it? Come and get it. Good job. There you go. Good boy. Yay! You almost got it. Come on. Come get it. Come on. Come get it. Yes, there's my baby boy. You got the pumpkin. You did. It's heavy too. There you go. Good job. Yay!